Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Etsy shows there was a problem with your order, it usually means the purchase couldn't be completed due to payment security or checkout issues. The order typically isn't confirmed yet, but the problem can usually be fixed quickly. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix that there was a problem with your order error on Etsy in 2026 safely and correctly. Okay, so first thing first, check payment status. So first confirm whether payment succeeded. So check Etsy confirmation email, bank or PayPal transaction, order in purchases in review. So if order doesn't appear, payment failed, and so you have to retry checkouts carefully. Okay, so you can also verify payment details. So incorrect payment information commonly causes this error. So confirm card number, expiry dates, CVV code. Okay, cardholder name. So re-enter details manually instead of autofill. Okay, small typing errors can cause cause rejection. Okay, match billing address exactly. So billing mismatches or billing mismatch triggers fraud protection. So ensure address matches bank records, postal code correct, country selected properly, and after that you can retry purchase. Okay, check bank authorization. So bank may block Etsy transactions automatically. Open your banking app or contact bank to approve online purchase. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.